Good day. This video presentation entitled Information System Maintenance, the Application of Total Quality Management Construct is intended for our final project in ACC 162. I am Apple Grace Nicolas together with my team Rodalisa Agoto, Jerilyn Aquino, Rosalind Peralta, and Christine Ann Suliman. It contains introduction, methodology, presentation of findings, conclusion, and recommendations. For introduction, information systems have been known to aid organizational management in providing quality services to their customers. However, if the IS used in organizations are not properly maintained, the quality of services provided may be regarded as poor. If organizations' customers do not trust the IS used in the services they receive, they may be more likely to consider other trustworthy organizations. Organizational management has the potential of maintaining the quality of the IS utilized by their organization. Nonetheless, it remains a challenge for management to preserve the integrity of the systems used in their organization, while at the same time providing quality services. Information system maintenance can be conducted through system control, reliability, user participation, and training, also known as CRUT model. These elements are selected because they are hypothetically and practically significant in maintaining the information system quality use in organization.
For methodology, an exploratory study will be conducted to better understand the type of activities, behaviors, and task management engaged in to implement TQM construct in their daily information system operation. A background description of information system employees and management will outline the protocols management follows to ensure the CRUT model is in line with the elements of TQM. In data collection, to conduct this research, an organization that uses the TQM construct will be chosen. 10 semi-structured interviews with information system managers and directors within the organization will be performed, with each session lasting about 60 minutes, and the goal of the study, informants will be told, is to acquire a better understanding of how TQM constructs can be applied to the CRUT model. In addition, informants will be asked to recall their organization's rules and activities and TQM implementation efforts, as well as the consequences.
For the presentation of findings, qualitative data scrutiny will be initiated from the beginning of exploration. The researcher will apply codes by recognizing similar characteristic themes that become apparent. Some of the codes recognized earlier may be eliminated and new codes may emerge as the researcher look for meaning in the collected data. After the codes have been assigned to a different group of characteristics, the researcher will then classify them. First, an open-ended coding will be used to discover new code that surface from the interview record. Second, an axial coding technique will be used to recognize the connection between the codes. Using the qualitative research approach will enable researchers to explore how management and researcher would better implement the element of truth and I-Tech.
Conclusion: organizational management may be able to maintain the quality of the IS they use by using the CRUT model in response to the research objectives, and their engagement in IS development may have an influence on quality maintenance. Control, dependability, user engagement, and training, all components of the CRUT model have the potential to aid management in selecting the best IS for their firm. Organizational management should work closely with the IS developers to ensure that they can control and maintain the systems they use. Management should consider involving employees in the production of reliable IS as they are chosen. Training IS users within an organization is important for defining roles, determining accountability, and determining comprehension of IS. Furthermore, the TQM structures would allow management to better tailor the CRUT components to their organization's IS. Integrity, training, employee involvement, and customer focus are TQM aspects that will help management not only maintain the different systems inside their firm, but also control and safeguard them from unauthorized users. The proposed research approach will assist management and researchers in determining if the CRUT and ITEC implementation approach would be a better match for their organization's IS maintenance.
For recommendations, organizational management should work closely with IS developers to ensure that the IS they use can be controlled and maintained. Management will be able to evaluate whether systems are reliable to have control over their organization's IT. Training IS users within an organization is important for defining rules, determining accountability, and determining understanding of IS. Furthermore, management will be able to better adapt the components of CRUT to meet their organization's IS using the TQM structures. The proposed study approach will aid management and researchers in deciding whether the CRUT and ITEC implementation approaches would be better fit for their organization's IS maintenance. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.